Hello, good day viewers. Let us find a solution to this exponential quadratic equation. We are asked to find the values of x that can satisfy this equation, and the equation is x squared minus 5x plus 5 all to the power of x squared plus 4x minus 60 equal to 1. So the question is, what condition will make the left hand side to be equal to 1? There are only 3 conditions, and let us list them. The first condition, if our exponent is equal to 0, definitely the left hand side will be equal to 1. So the first condition is x squared plus 4x minus 60 equal to 0. If this is equal to 0, this to the power of 0 will be equal to 1. That is the first condition. Then the second condition, if the base is equal to 1, 1 to the power of whatever will give us 1, right? So if x squared minus 5x plus 5 is equal to 1. If this statement is true, then the right hand side is also true. Then the last condition, if this x squared, which is the base, minus 5x plus 5 is equal to negative 1, but the exponent must be what? Even. X squared plus 4x minus 60 will be an even integer, right? So if this is negative, for instance, if this is even integer like 2, 4, 6, despite this is negative 1 raised to the power of 2 will give us 1, right? So these are the 3 conditions we need to find. Solve them separately and find our solutions. Let me start with the first one. So here is the first condition, x squared plus 4x minus 60 equal to 0. We are going to find the values of x in this equation, and all the values will satisfy our equation. So how can we factorize it? We are going to think of two numbers, which when we multiply them together, we are going to get negative 60. And when we add them together, we are going to get positive 4. And the numbers are positive 10 and negative 6. So we have x plus 10 multiplied by x minus 6. This is equal to 0. If you set each of these factors to be equal to 0, x could either be negative 10 or x equal to positive 6. So this is the first solution. Then the second condition, if x squared minus 5x plus 5 equal to 1. If this is equal to 1, we can subtract 1 from both sides so that our equation becomes x squared minus 5x. 5 minus 1 will give us 4 equal to 0. Now let us think of two numbers which when we multiply them together, we get positive 4. And when we add them together, we get negative 5. And the numbers are negative 1 and negative 4, right? So we have x minus 4 multiplied by x minus 1. These are the two numbers you can multiply to get positive 4. And when you add them together, you get negative 5. Setting each of them to be equal to 0, it implies that x could either be 4 or 1, right? Second solution. So far we have 4 solutions, right? Then the last condition, and the last condition is when our base is negative 1 under a condition if and only if the exponent is an even integer. So first of all, we are going to solve this, then we substitute the solutions into this condition. So here is the last condition. Let us add 1 to both sides. So we have x squared minus 5x plus 5 plus 1 is 6. This is equal to 0 because negative 1 plus 1 is 0. How do we factorize this? We are going to think of two numbers which when we multiply them together, we get the constant term, which is 6. But when we add them together, we get negative 5, and the numbers are negative 3 and negative 2. So we have x minus 2 multiplied by x minus 3 equal to 0. If we set each of these factors to be 0, x could either be positive 2 or positive 3. But we are not going to conclude yet. We have to substitute these values into the exponent. It is only if the exponent is an even integer, that is when we are going to conclude that that value is a solution. So what is the exponent? The exponent is x squared plus 4x minus 60. So this is our exponent, x squared plus 4x minus 60. We are going to substitute x equal to 2 and also x equal to 3. So let me start with x equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, what do we have? We have 2 squared plus 4 multiplied by 2, then minus 60, right? Let's simplify this. This is 4 plus 8 minus 60. 4 plus 8 is 12, and 12 minus 60 will give us negative 48, which is indeed an even integer, right? Even integer. Therefore, we have seen that 2 is a solution. Then when x is equal to 3, when x is equal to 3, what do we have? We have 3 squared plus 4 multiplied by 3, then minus 60. Let's simplify this. 3 squared is 9, plus 4 times 3 is 12, minus 60. 9 plus 12 is 21, and 21 minus 60 is going to give us negative 39, which is not even, right? Therefore, we are going to discard x equal to 3. We don't want this solution. Rather, consider only x equal to 2. Therefore, x equal to 2 is a solution. So far, how many solutions do we have? We have 5 solutions, right? X is negative 10, x is 6, x is 4, x equal to 1, and x equal to 2. Let us bring all of them together. Therefore, the solution to this problem is x equal to negative 10, positive 6, positive 1, 4, and 2. This is just the solution to this problem. Any of these 5 numbers will satisfy that equation. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos.